In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a shape in PowerPoint, and I'll walk you through the fastest method first, plus an easy backup method if you prefer using your mouse. This is a really simple PowerPoint skill, but once you know it, it can save you time while editing slides and cleaning up your design. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The fastest way to delete a shape in PowerPoint is to click on the shape you want to remove. Once it's selected, just press the delete key on your keyboard. On some keyboards, you can also use Backspace. As soon as you press it, the shape disappears instantly from the slide. This is the quickest method, especially if you're editing a lot of objects and want to work efficiently. Now, if you prefer using your mouse, there's another simple method you can use. Right-click directly on the shape. When the menu appears, look for the delete option. On some versions of PowerPoint, you may also see Cut, which removes the shape from the slide and places it on your clipboard temporarily. If you want the shape gone completely, choose Delete. That's it. The shape will be removed from your slide right away. If the shape doesn't delete, make sure it's actually selected first. Sometimes PowerPoint may select a text box, image, or another object instead, so click carefully on the edge of the shape until you see the selection border. And if you ever want to delete multiple shapes at once, you can hold down Shift or Ctrl, click each shape you want to remove, and then press Delete on your keyboard. That can be a huge time saver when you're cleaning up a slide layout. So to recap, the quickest way is to click the shape and press Delete, and the mouse method is to right-click and choose Delete or Cut. Both methods are easy, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.